Hey, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well. Today we're going to talk about what I carry in my camera bag when I'm out doing stuff like this. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jake Sloan and I make content here on YouTube for solo creators like myself who are on the go especially. And I do tips, tutorials, and reviews of equipment that makes that possible. So today we're going to talk about what I take with me in my camera bag when I'm out in Alaska flying in small planes and exploring places like this.
Not too bad.
Not bad. But there's a little bit better coffee spot up there, and if you've watched some of my Instagram stuff, you know I'm always in search of a good coffee spot. So.
And it's lunchtime.
And it's lunchtime. So again, don't hate us because we have the best coffee spots.
It's true.
It's just what we do. All right, what's in my bag? Glacier Exploration Edition, or Alaska Exploration Edition, because that's typically what I do. My drone that I usually have, the Mavic 2 Pro, is currently out there hyperlapsing. This is my Gimbal of Choice right now, the DJI Ronin SC, which is fantastic. Goes with me everywhere. My favorite bag right now is the Low Pro Tactic 450 AW because it's got a great rain cover, which we do run into rain once in a while. And because it has so many places I can strap everything on, like my iFootage tripod that I'm currently recording this on. This is by far has been my favorite bag. I do have another smaller bag for when I kayak, but anytime it's anywhere else, this is the one. So to start off with, I always have the A6400 with the Sigma 16 1.4, which is a fantastic combo. Usually this goes on my Ronin SC. I have my A7 III, which is actually filming this right now. This is the A7R3 that I'm borrowing for pictures today. And the Tamron 28-75. I also have the Tamron 17-28, which is my favorite wide angle lens. Also what is filming this right now. Sometimes, but a lot of times I bring the Sony 85 1.8, which is an excellent lens for portraits and for shooting stuff where you want to get a really highly compressed background. It's my favorite. I have a couple of ND filters. I really need to get an ND filter pouch wallet thing, but I don't have it yet. I have the ND filters for my drone. Usually my drone goes right in here. And then I have 2 extra batteries because no matter what, it seems that I never can quite get enough flight time. I have this Pelican case for my SD cards, which is great. Although honestly, I rarely ever have to use a second or a third set of SD cards, so, but better safe than sorry. And then this, which is actually one of my favorite little microphones that I made, that there'll be a video when I have it done. It'll be linked up here or linked in the description, but this is a binaural audio recording. So essentially, if you put headphones on and listen to video recorded with this, it sounds like you are sitting and looking exactly where the camera is looking. Typically right here is where I have my DD3 Pro, which is what's recording this right now, and the windscreen for it. I have this little doohickey, a little rail, which actually works really nice for if I want to set stuff on top of the camera, but I need to like put not just a wireless mic or something, but maybe a shotgun mic or something else up there too. That's nice to have. I have an extra little Swiss Arca plate just in case. And then I have here, this is my Countryman B3, and what is currently one of my favorite wireless setups, the Rode Wireless Go, is awesome. So this has all of that along with some moleskin and stuff. If I need to tape it onto me or tape it onto somebody else, then I can. Usually it's just me taping onto myself. And then I have this Low Pro little organizer, which actually I just got recently, and has all my little cables, like extra headphone cables, charging cables, USB-C, micro USB, lens pen, lens cloth. Has my little strobe for my drone, which is nice. And then it has a couple little adapter cables and a tool to take on or to screw on and screw off plates. And then the bag, this is a Think Tank bag, Cable Management 10 version 2.0, whatever that means. And I have my blower, which is really handy out here in the summer when it's dry. I have lots of extra batteries, GoPro mounts, miscellaneous little things, little grip arm in case I'm doing anything like that. I always have an extra power pack with me because especially when it's cold, batteries tend to die really, really fast. So an extra power pack is really, really, really handy to have. And then up here, I have a couple of extra cables, extra control sticks for my Mavic Pro, some more lens wipes and stuff like that. And then this is nice because it has space for your laptop, but sometimes I put other things in there. I feel like it should be lighter than what it is, but it's not. It's actually pretty heavy. A lot of times I end up bringing a second backpack with extra stuff like extra audio gear, extra cameras, anything other stuff that I'm gonna need for a shoot. But if it's just me or me and Keith heading out in the middle of nowhere on his plane, then generally it's just this backpack and what's in here, and we head out to places like this to do things and drink coffee. So if you want to learn more about other tech things that I use to create videos in places like this, you can click or tap right here. If you want to know more about specific ways that I use that gear, you can click or tap right here. As always, you can reach out to me on Instagram, Twitter, or ask questions in the comments below, and I'll do my best to respond to them. Cheers!